Have you heard of PCOD before? Well, if you have, then you probably know that it is one of the most common hormonal disorders in women. Did you also know that it affects nearly 1 in 10 women worldwide, but did you know what causes it? Well, there are many risk factors that can increase a woman's likelihood of developing PCOD. In today's video, we'll discuss the 3 biggest risk factors for PCOD, helping you better understand your risk and take proactive steps to manage it. So let's dive in. The first major risk factor for PCOD is insulin resistance. Insulin resistance occurs when the body's cells, especially those in the muscle and fat tissue, become less responsive to insulin. When this happens, the pancreas tries to compensate by producing more insulin to help the cells absorb glucose. This leads to high levels of insulin in the bloodstream, a condition called hyperinsulinemia. High insulin levels can interfere with the delicate hormonal balance needed for ovulation. It can also stimulate the ovaries to produce more male hormones called androgens, leading to symptoms like irregular periods, acne, and excess hair growth. Additionally, insulin resistance is closely linked to obesity, particularly abdominal obesity. Excess fat, especially around the belly, can amplify the hormonal imbalance, making it harder for the body to regulate insulin and androgen levels. Women who are overweight or obese have larger amounts of estrogen produced by their fat cells, which can also contribute to the development of PCOD. The second big risk factor is obesity and a sedentary lifestyle. Studies show that over 50% of women diagnosed with PCOD are overweight or obese. Carrying extra weight, especially in the abdominal area, can lead to higher levels of estrogen and androgens, disrupting the body's hormonal balance. It can also lead to insulin resistance, making it harder for the body to regulate insulin and androgen levels. A sedentary lifestyle and poor eating habits, such as consuming lots of sugary and processed foods, can exacerbate weight gain and worsen insulin sensitivity, thereby increasing the risk of developing PCOD. The third significant risk factor is a family history of PCOD. If a woman has a close relative, such as a mother or sister, who has been diagnosed with PCOD, she is at a much higher risk of developing the condition herself. Research suggests that genetic factors play a substantial role in the development of PCOD. Multiple genes are thought to be involved, each contributing slightly to a woman's susceptibility to the disorder. While the exact genes and their functions are still being investigated, it is clear that genetics plays a crucial role in determining a woman's risk. In conclusion, while there is no single cause of PCOD, understanding the most significant risk factors can help women take proactive steps to manage their health. By adopting a healthy lifestyle, including regular exercise, a balanced diet, and stress management, women can reduce their risk of developing PCOD and its potentially serious complications. Remember, knowledge is the first step towards taking control of your health. So don't hesitate to consult with a healthcare professional if you have concerns or questions about PCOD. Stay tuned for more informative content and take care.